Just the usual. I don't know what happened here, they're all connected. One big pancake. And Aussie's at the farm at the moment, so I want him to have a nice meal when he comes. Whoa. My man knows me so well. Of your brothers, Esther DeMarco. It's a new one, baby. Hey. Tupo mais do sono e a ita. Chame a cara e fura o Napa tupo mai do sono e a ita. Inside when you kiss me. Hey, Aussie. Hi guys, so we are on our way to church. We got Eddie in the back. Say hi.
Hi.
He's so cute.
Hi.
Got Aussie looking drippy. Drip, drip, drippy, Aussie.
Always look drip.
So we're currently having a barbecue. Sorry if you can't hear me, it's very windy.
Okay, I'm done.
What is up, SV Squad? Welcome back to another video. Aussie's gone to the farm and it's a Sunday, my poor darling. But I had a testimony to tell and I wanted to tell you guys because by the time you watch this, I would have already done my testimony. But basically, I got a new job. Yay! And it's for the same department that I work in. I work in Department of Human Services. And I just want to give all the glory back to God. I believe it was His unmerited favor, His grace upon my life. And answered prayers, you know, because I've been praying and seeking God for a lot in my family, and this was just one of them that God has answered, and I don't take any of the credit for it. I give it all back to God because it belongs to Him. I'm using a Anastasia brow gel, so I'm gonna go to church by myself. We bought this aircon yesterday. It's a portable one. Seems to be working all right. Woo! Look, I could do a music video. And the wind is blowing in my face. Now, I got one question. Who has the final say? Jehovah has the final say. Who has the final say? Jehovah has the final say. I said, who has the final say? Jehovah has the final say. Who has the final say?
You ha.
Got these two playing Fortnite. We're in KFC now having lunch with Azwelu and Oliver. The police! The police!
Hey, Daddy.
The police is here.
To get Evan.
To take you.
No. That's a camera.
I know, I'm filming the police because when they come and get you. Police!
No.
Take Eben too because he's got a big bum.
That's not big bum.
What?
That's big leg.
Oh, but why do you have one then?
That's a big bum.
Eddie, big bum.
Fire truck.
No, that's a police car, Eben. Don't talk to me in your American accent, okay? I don't understand it.
No, it's a fire truck.
It's a police car.
It's a fire truck.
It's a police car, thank you. What?
Hi. 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 Hi.
Show everyone your car.
I think. Hello.
And then Edgy came, and the dinosaur said, 3, 5, 4, from I smell Edgy's stinking bum. And then he came and jumped on the bridge. Shut up, I'm gonna story out with. And then he came and jumped on the bridge. And he was running. And Eddie was running too. And the dinosaur was gonna eat Eddie. And then, move. The dinosaur was going to eat Eddie. And the dinosaur was running so fast. And he was gonna eat Eddie. And then the dinosaur grabbed Eddie. Yeah, it grabbed Eddie. And then he grabbed Amaziah's mummy too. And eat her up. The end.
1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
It's not 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 3, 5, 4, 5. And then the police came. And he saw Amaziah. And he said, you have snot in your nose. I'm taking you to jail. And then the police said, Amaziah, you eat too much snot. Yucky. You're going to jail. Aussie, call the police. Amaziah just ate his booger.
No, I didn't.
Oh, you did. I saw you.
Hello, police.
I didn't. Sit right away.
Hello.
And I like lollies.
And once upon a time, Eben had lots of awa. Hey. Stop! Stop it. Eddie, let go. Eddie, let go. You okay?
Hi.
Are you okay, Baba?
Yeah.
Once upon a time, Eben had all the donuts in the world. And he went in his big truck to pick up all the donuts and all the lollies.
I didn't. But.
Excuse me? No. And then Amaziah came and said, can I have some donuts? And Eben said, no donuts for big sookie eating booger boys. You go to the police. And then Eben called the police, and the police came to get Amaziah. And Amaziah went to jail for the rest of his life.
See the boundary.
Yeah.
Do you like that story?
Nope.
Hi guys. I didn't finish off the vlog, but I'm going to, so stay tuned. Still got more minutes. And I just finished work. It's a Monday. And I have never in my life tried one of these. I don't even know how you cut one.
Just cut your hands, don't cut the thing.
Cool, look at that.
Looks like Asueru's poo hole.
Just.
Sorry.
Oh my god, how pretty!
What's up?
How pretty! I love these seed things. Cool, look. Here goes nothing. Come over here and taste it with me, Aussie.
it yet? No.
It tastes like nothing.
Did you taste it before?
Mm-mm. But I see it on ASMR, so I wanted to try it. Hola. Do you like it?
It's not good.
I wonder what health benefits this has. So we just finished filming a mukbang, which you guys probably already seen. And today I went and bought some jackfruit. I'm so excited. I don't know what's up with me and these exotic fruits, but I'm here for it. I'm all the way here for it. Babe, can you come help me?
What?
Cut this?
Huh?
Can you come help me hold this?
What is?
This thing.
Is it over here?
Yeah. What the hell is that? I've never cut one up before. I've always bought them already cut up and stuff. Look at what you're filming.
Look, you don't realize it's apple poo. The leg.
How do I open this thing or see?
It's not ready.
It's ready.
Apple poo mo yang ko may lobo.
Oh my god. I should have probably Googled how to open this. Ow, it's hurting my fingers.
Then why is it ready? You kaya nga ready. Ayan niya nga maka.
Why does it look like that?
Maka. This nga maka na.
Oh, this is a different kind.
Nga maka. Nga may fa pulo. What?
We spent $18 on this. Guys, I'm gonna try and see because I know that there's different kinds of jackfruit. The one that I ate for my ASMR did not look like this, but I'm gonna try and see what's up with this. Guys, I have never experienced anything like that. That was like gum stuck on my hand. It's taken me like a good 20 minutes to try and get it off the chopping.